we're gonna top out at 3. Page 35. Spanish number 35. Number of the day. Is this the one? Yes, it is. All right. Okay, you know the drill. Make it look like this. 3x, I'm going to bring the 4y over, and the inequality stays with a negative 12 on that side. X-intercept, y-intercept. 3x is equal to negative 12. Watch out, right? Divide both sides by 3. X is equal to negative 4. It's negative 4, 0. Then I have negative 4y on the other side is equal to negative 12, because remember, now we're dealing with a boundary line. So for a moment, we forget that there's an inequality symbol there, and then we'll go right back to it. Y is equal to 3, positive, 0, 3. The drill continues. I'm going to keep that negative 4y on the left side, and the inequality follows. The 3x goes over to the right side, and it switches signs. And the 12 is still there. And remember, I always throw in a lot of little steps because I want you to see it on your examples, right? That the sign does flip. So this will need to be switched the other way. Y is greater than 3 over 4x plus 3, and it jives. Dashed, true above, shade below. This other one, what do you notice about this? We did one of these yesterday. 3x comes over, plus 4y is less than 0. This is going to be a 0, 0, 0, 0 situation. So what I do is I rewrite it. I go 4y is less than or equal to negative 3x, then divide both sides by 4. I don't need to flip the sign because I'm not dividing by negative. What did I do here? Anybody remember? I just picked a random x value. But I'm not going to be so random in this case. You got to be smart about it. I'm going to let x be 4. And why would I want to pick 4? Because it's going to cancel out with this, correct? So I'm going to let x equal to 4. So then y is equal to, so for the boundary line, it's negative 3 over 4 times 4. And that cancels out. So therefore, the second point is when x is equal to 4, y is equal to negative 3. And I will use a highlighter here. Okay. and x is equal to 4, y is equal to -3. You've just created a point. So if that denominator had been 5, then you pick 5. If there is no fraction, it's up to you, whatever you want, right? But you have to pick strategically. So now I have my 0, 0, the origin, and this one to connect to make that line. Okay. Let's go off of this one. Can you box this in? So I kind of, this one is a little different. The intercepts don't help me. So I go straight into rewriting it. And once I have it rewritten, I use the plugin and go to figure out my second point. So this would be dashed. True is below. We won't graph it today, but that way we can just start tomorrow, okay? True is below. We will shade above. What about that last one? What kind is this? Vertical, right? We're going to continue with this tomorrow. Thank you, guys. You were great.